This is Caroline for SewCanShe Studio Chat number 13. I'm so happy to be finally talking to you again. It's been a rough week. My husband's been out of town for a while and kids. I'm so excited to show you this quilt. This is the Kisses Quilt. This is the quilt that I designed for the fabric collection that I curated with QT Fabrics. It is full of low volume prints, as you can see here, and also coordinating pink and turquoise, and there's also navy prints in the collection, but I didn't put them in this quilt. As I worked with them to design this collection, I really wanted a collection of fabrics that included both low volume and some really saturated, beautiful, bold prints, and that's what we did. I just love it, and I have one more quilt to show you with it later, but right now I just am really excited about this quilt, the Kisses Quilt. It is a strip quilt, so there are going to be 2.5-inch strip bundles available in this collection, and I convinced them to make smaller bundles. So each bundle is called a strippy bundle, and it only has 12 strips. It's 2 of each fabric in that colorway. So the neutral, as you see, they're kind of a newsprint color, except for this one, which does have a little bit of color in the tiny flowers, but the rest of them are very neutral, low volume. And then we've also got a coral pink colorway, and there are strippy bundles of that. And then there's this beautiful turquoise colorway. We've got strippy bundles of that and also of the blue. And this quilt in particular, you can go to the store and just grab 3 strippy bundles of your neutral, and then 1 blue and 1 pink, or 1 pink and 1 turquoise if you want to make this quilt. And then you'll just need 4 yards of the backing, and on the back of this I have the beautiful floral print that is the main floral. This is my giveaway this week, so I'm so excited that QT Fabrics shared with me an entire kit for the giveaway. It includes 5 strippy bundles total, 3 of the neutral, 1 pink and 1 turquoise. It includes a 1/2 yard for the binding, and it includes 4 yards of this beautiful background print. Now your quilt shop will have, or should have, the quilt pattern. Right now this quilt pattern is free at the quilt shops that are carrying Sweet Caroline fabric. Maybe the quilt shop will put together the kits for you. If not, you can just grab the free pattern and grab your strippy bundles and make your own kit. That was my intent with providing this pattern because it goes right along with the strippy bundles. And in the future, I'm going to put this pattern in my shop, but I just wanted to give everybody the chance to go and get it for free first from your local quilt shop. Thank you to QT Fabrics, especially for collaborating with me to do this curated collection. It's been really a blast. And also for donating the fabric for this giveaway. Thanks so much for watching my studio chats. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will be able to catch the next one, and I'll talk to you later.